In this chapter, we learned how to connect to the MySQL server and select a database. We learned how to create a database on the MySQL server, and then we learned how to insert records into a table, update records in a table, and delete records from a table using SQL in PHP scripts. We used variables and operators to construct PHP SQL scripts, and we used array variables to build generic SQL inside PHP scripts. The snippets file we've used till now has served us well, but it's cluttered with many snippets that were only useful as interim examples and are no longer needed. You can keep the old one for reference, or delete the snippets branch if you prefer. But before you go on to the next chapter, please download the snippets file we'll be using from now and import it into Bluefish. This can be found on the resources page of this site, and the file name is phptraining-0104.xml. Download the file and import it into Bluefish. On the same website, in the current chapter notes, you'll find a quick 10-question quiz with links to an answer page. There's also an exercise for you to further test how much you've learned.